In this video, I'll show you how to softly reset your Samsung Smart TV, one of the simplest ways to fix several common TV issues. Now before we start, here's something you should know. Most Samsung TV problems, like a black screen, getting stuck on the logo, or even freezing during startup, can often be fixed by just doing this quick method. This guide is specifically for those who have a remote. If you don't have one, that's okay. I've also made a separate video on how to perform a soft or hard reset without a remote, so make sure to watch that after this one. Alright, let's get into it. Take your Samsung TV remote and press and hold the power button. Your TV screen will turn off, but don't release the button just yet. Keep holding it down. After a few seconds, you'll see the Samsung Smart TV powered by Tizen logo appear on the screen. Once you see that logo or some text showing up, you can let go of the power button. And that's it. Your TV has now performed a soft reset. This simple reset clears out minor software glitches, refreshes the system memory, and helps your TV run smoother again, all without needing to unplug it or do a full factory reset. If this method helped fix your issue, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick TV fix guides like this one.